Storm's Tech channel here, and today I will be unboxing the Soundcore Live Q30 Bluetooth wireless noise cancelling headphones. So I paid $80 for these on Amazon. I got this July 18th. Today is July 20th when I'm recording this video here. So this is what the box looks like here. Very nice presentation, in my opinion. You guys see what the headphones look like. It says Soundcore by Anchor on top, and then on the right side of that it will say Live Q30 wireless noise cancelling headphones. It says right here, if you guys can see that, multi-mode noise cancellation. Then down here it says high-res audio, hybrid active noise cancelling, 40 hours of playtime, transparency mode, and NFC fast pairing. Alright, so that's very nice. And then this is what the right side of the box looks like here. All it says is high-res audio, high-res sound. But to the other side, it says incredible sound, loved by 20 million plus people. So it is very nice. And then on the top of this box here, it will just say Soundcore Live Q30. Alright, so let's look at the back here. Zoom in so you guys can see that. Alright, so it says here multi-mode noise cancellation via Soundcore app. I will have the link down below. It has transport, indoor, outdoor. There's some more stuff on the headphones here. Let me zoom in. Let's see the outlets will say it look better. So it has high-res sound, built-in mics for calls, 40 hours of playtime. 5-minute charge equals 4 hours of playtime, so that is pretty cool. Like I said, it does have NFC pairing. That's for Android phones only, I believe, and it has touch for transparency mode, and it also has dual connect as well, so where you guys can connect to two devices at the same time. It also has the Anchor logo down there, and you guys might be able to scan this barcode logo. So, yeah. So much of that, yeah, that's it. Alright. So, yeah, very nice presentation in the box. So once you guys open the box, you guys will be greeted with this. You guys will be greeted with a hard plastic case. That's where everything is on the inside this hard plastic case. It has the Soundcore logo, very reflective and nice looking logo. Very nice accessory to the headphones, because that will, you know, you can put up your headphones in this when you guys are done listening to your music or whatever you guys are using headphones for. You guys also have your quick start guide and stuff like that in here. So yeah, let's open up the case. This is really cool. So just unzip it here, and voila, there is the headphones on the right side. It has like some padding on it. It's like a soft padding too, which is very nice and feels very nice as well. Has a styrofoam thing. Has a little pouch for your cables, your Type-C charging port. Also has a 3.5 aux cable. So y'all guys need this wireless. Y'all guys need this wired. Noise cancellation does not work in wired mode, so keep it in mind. So I'll show you guys the cables here. So it's they come in this little pouch here, which is very nice. So this is your aux cable here. This is for wired mode, so that is a pretty cool feature to have. So if you guys don't have no battery on your headphones, you can still use your headphones. And then this is your Type-C charging cable right here, very nice and very very nice. Comes in this baggie. Here's the headphones. It has left ear cup, right ear cup, they're labeled. You just have to twist them to snap them in place, and that's what it looks like when they're unfolded. You have like pretty thick and nice ear cushions here, very nice and comfortable. They feel very nice. You have some padding up here for your head, so if that's on your head, you'll have padding up here. You got some plastic here. And then on the top of this, it looks like metal. I don't know if it's metal. It's probably like a brushed metal or whatever. I don't think it's real metal though, but it does look very nice. You can adjust the headphones to your liking, so you can do that. It will say active noise canceling on both sides. So yeah, so you can adjust it any way you want. So yeah, on the right ear cup, you guys want the Soundcore logo. It's on the right ear cup and left ear cup. You can pair it with NFC on the right ear cup, so that's very cool. And then on the right ear cup, you guys will have some buttons here. You guys will have your volume up and down, and your play pause button, in your aux cable right here. And then to the left ear cup, you guys will have Type C charging port, power button, a light, and noise cancellation button. Once it's blue, it means it's on. Hold on. Hold the power button for a few seconds to cut on and cut off. Uh, it will turn red when it's about to cut off. So yeah. For $80, I mean these are really nice headphones. I think they're worth every penny in my opinion. If you guys want to spend like really a whole lot of money on Bluetooth headphones, and you guys want noise canceling headphones, check out the Soundcore Life Q30s. They are very nice. Especially get the Soundcore app. Especially get that. That's definitely worth getting. If you guys get these headphones or any Soundcore product, get the Soundcore app because that's where all the fun is in that app. So the air cushions look nice. Uh, Build quality looks very nice too, even though it's made from plastics like hard plastic and whatnot, and feels very nice in hand and all that. Very nice looking pair of headphones. I mean, this is a definitely worth checking out for $80 from Amazon. That's where I got these from. Yeah, definitely worth it. I do like the headband here. It looks like it's metal, but I think it's like brushed metal, maybe. But this does look premium though, but I don't think it's real metal there. But it does look very nice and effective nonetheless. So yeah, overall this headphone looks very nice, and it's definitely worth checking out. So yeah, there is my unboxing of the Soundcore Life Q30 Bluetooth wireless noise cancelling headphones. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.